Want to organize and prioritize user feedback in UserVoice? Idea lists are the perfect tool. In this video, we'll show you how to create, manage, and share idea lists to streamline your workflow. To create an idea list, we're going to start in the main idea grid. You have a couple options here to select the ideas you want. You can either go one by one and select ideas from the main idea list, or utilize filters or the search to filter down your ideas and then select all. I'm going to start by doing a search and then selecting the ideas that I want to add to a list. As you start selecting ideas, the quick action menu will open up and give you options for what to do with those ideas. Once I'm happy with the amount that I have, I'm going to click Add to Idea List and create a new list. Then Create List. Now I have the option to view the list or keep working, so I'm going to go ahead and view the list. And then that'll bring you to the idea list, which will open up the metrics for the idea list, the option to run an impact report, the ability to share, edit, or delete the idea list as well. As a note for these metrics over here, these are going to be the unique metrics for the entire list. This means if the same user voted on multiple of these ideas that are in this list, we're only counting their vote once. The same applies to revenue and accounts. There are a couple different ways you can access your list from the main idea grid. First, you can click on this All Ideas button here at the top, which will open the side panel and let you choose idea list and go to your idea list. Or you can just directly open this side panel from Ideas and Feedback from wherever you're at in the app, click Idea List, and go to the idea list you want to view. So let's talk about adding, removing, and sharing. Adding is going to be very similar to creating the idea list. You can select a couple ideas from wherever you're at, use this Quick Actions menu, and go to Add to Idea List, and then you'll have the option to select the idea list that you have created. Need to remove an idea from a list? Select the idea that you'd like to remove. The Quick Actions menu will open up, and you can scroll here to Remove from List to remove this idea from the list. For further analysis or sharing idea lists outside of UserVoice, you have the option to export the list. Click this cloud icon in the top and click Export Dataset, and this will be the same setup as a typical idea export. You can also share idea lists. By going to this share icon in the top here, you'll have the option to choose who you'd like to share it with, so you can enter them by email, or you can click Share with all admins in my organization. Shared admins can then view and manage the list. Idea lists are a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and collaborating on user feedback in UserVoice. Start leveraging these features today to gain deeper insights and streamline your product development process. For more detailed information, be sure to visit our Help Center.